Welcome to the heart of innovation, where everyday essentials are crafted with precision and care. Join us on a journey.
From raw ingredients to the final product, witness the intricate dance of science and craftsmanship unfold before your eyes.
Our journey begins with the finest raw materials, sourced globally, each carefully selected for purity and quality. Each component undergoes rigorous scrutiny, ensuring only the purest, most effective ingredients make it into our formulations.
The journey continues as raw materials verge within colossal blending tanks.
Every parameter is precisely calibrated, ensuring the perfect consistency and effectiveness of our signature toothpaste formula. Witness the mesmerizing transformation as ingredients blend into a perfectly uniform, smooth, and satisfying paste. From mixing, the paste embarks on its automated journey, guided by advanced systems to its next critical destination. Robotic precision ensures every batch is carefully transferred, maintaining its integrity before final packaging. Our dedicated scientists meticulously test every batch, guaranteeing optimal consistency and performance for your daily routine.
Under the microscope, we ensure every particle contributes to a perfect, smooth, and effective cleaning experience.
Our commitment to quality extends to every detail, including the meticulously prepared, vibrant packaging for our premium toothpaste. The empty tubes embark on their journey, a symphony of automation guiding them towards their destiny, becoming filled with our superior paste. At the heart of production, each tube receives a precise, perfect measure of our specially formulated toothpaste, ensuring consistency.
With exacting precision, each tube is hermetically sealed, preserving freshness and ensuring the integrity of every ounce of toothpaste.
From sealing, the tubes glide onward, undergoing initial automated checks to ensure every single product meets our high standards.
Each tube receives its unique identity, batch numbers and expiration dates, ensuring complete traceability and consumer confidence.
The tubes are swiftly and precisely boxed by our advanced robotic systems, preparing them for their final journey.
Even with advanced automation, human expertise provides the final, crucial layer of quality assurance for every product.
Every box reflects our dedication to excellence, from vibrant design to the tactile luxury of an embossed, premium finish. Advanced robotics meticulously stack each package, preparing them for efficient storage and global distribution. Precision in every movement. Our expansive, high-tech warehouse ensures every product is stored perfectly, ready for its journey to markets worldwide.
Great job, everyone! Safe travels!
The ultimate reward, a satisfied customer, choosing quality and trust for their everyday oral care routine.
Ultimately, our mission is to deliver healthy, confident smiles, reflecting the quality and care in every tube. Experience the difference.
From dawn to dusk, our commitment to excellence never wavers, ensuring the highest quality in every product we create.
Upon arrival, every raw material undergoes stringent quality checks, verifying its authenticity, purity, and compliance with our standards.
From storage, advanced vacuum systems precisely transfer ingredients, ensuring seamless, high-volume flow to our mixing hoppers.
High ingredients undergo gentle pre-mixing, preparing them for the next stage, ensuring a uniform foundation for the perfect paste.
Liquid ingredients are carefully introduced, a crucial step in achieving the ideal texture and consistency for our toothpaste.
Through a network of transparent pipes, essential liquid solutions are guided, a mesmerizing flow towards the heart of our blend.
High shear mixing transforms raw components into a perfectly homogeneous, creamy paste, the very essence of our toothpaste.
Even amidst the mixing, samples are meticulously drawn, ensuring consistent quality and adherence to our rigorous standards. Our automated logistics system seamlessly transports the freshly mixed paste, ensuring efficiency and maintaining sterile conditions throughout. Every batch undergoes rigorous chemical analysis, ensuring optimal pH balance and stability for effective, gentle oral care. Achieving perfect pH balance is crucial. Our precise measurements guarantee a formula that is both gentle and highly effective. Our paste undergoes a controlled conditioning process, allowing its unique properties to fully stabilize and reach peak performance.
Every batch is meticulously timed, ensuring optimal conditioning.
Our experts diligently monitor every data point, ensuring the conditioning process yields a perfectly stable, high-performance paste.
After conditioning, the paste undergoes ultra-fine filtration, meticulously removing any impurities, ensuring unparalleled purity and smoothness. Our perfectly conditioned paste awaits in pristine storage silos, ready for its final transformation into the tubes you know and trust.
Real-time inventory ensures our paste is always ready for packaging, guaranteeing a continuous, efficient production flow. Empty tubes, each uniquely branded, are precisely sorted by intelligent robotics, preparing for their specific product lines.
From digital design to tangible form, our printing plates meticulously transfer brand identity, ensuring perfect visual representation.
High-speed presses flawlessly transfer vibrant designs onto our tube material, bringing each package vividly to life.
Automated precision cutting transforms printed sheets into individual tube blanks, each perfectly shaped for the next stage.
Dimensional accuracy is paramount. Every tube blank undergoes rigorous measurement, guaranteeing perfect fit and form.
The tube's perfect formation, from seamless seam to smooth opening, showcases meticulous construction, ensuring product integrity. Automated capping machines swiftly secure each cap, creating an airtight seal, completing the tube's protective structure with precision.
Advanced stations apply tamper-evident security seals, guaranteeing hygiene and ensuring your toothpaste remains pristine until first use.
Our dedicated technicians conduct final visual inspections, ensuring every sealed tube meets our exacting standards of quality and appearance. Behold the perfectly crafted, empty tube, a canvas of vibrant design and impeccable construction, ready for its purpose.
Automated precision loads each empty tube onto the filling line, a seamless, high-speed preparation for its transformation. Exact fill volumes are digitally controlled, ensuring every tube contains the precise, optimal amount of toothpaste, guaranteeing value. A synchronized ballad of nozzles fills each tube, a continuous, elegant flow of our premium paste, ensuring consistent quality. Every filled tube undergoes a precise weight check, guaranteeing accurate product volume and consistent value for our consumers.
The final seal is expertly applied, heated jaws fusing the tube, creating an impenetrable barrier that locks in freshness.
Our perfectly filled and sealed tubes glide along the conveyor, a vibrant stream heading towards their final, protective packaging.
Every tube undergoes a rigorous leak test, submerged to detect even the slightest imperfection, ensuring a truly airtight seal.
The final stage, automated boxing machines meticulously encase each tube, preparing them for their journey to your home.
Human eyes provide the ultimate verification. Every package is meticulously inspected, ensuring flawless print quality and presentation.
The final touch, an embossed logo, a tactile signature of luxury, reflecting the premium quality within every box.
Robotic precision orchestrates the stacking of thousands of boxes onto pallets, preparing them for efficient, global distribution.
Our packaging undergoes rigorous drop tests, guaranteeing product protection and integrity through every stage of transit. Automated stretch wrapping provides robust protection, ensuring our products reach their destination in pristine, factory-fresh condition. Our global logistics team meticulously plans every shipment, navigating complex routes to deliver our products efficiently worldwide. Every pallet receives a precisely printed shipping label, ensuring accurate tracking and seamless delivery to its global destination. Our fleet of branded trucks embarks, carrying our products globally, connecting our factory to communities worldwide with efficiency. Trusted by professionals, our toothpaste receives expert endorsement, assuring you of its superior quality and efficacy.
Transparency is key. Our customers appreciate the clear, detailed ingredient list, empowering informed choices for their health.
Our packaging proudly highlights key benefits, clearly communicating the superior cavity protection and lasting fresh breath you deserve.
Through authentic voices, our toothpaste reaches global audiences, inspiring healthy habits and confident smiles in every home.
Our vibrant digital campaigns reach millions, offering convenient access to our premium toothpaste and promoting oral health worldwide.
You're all doing a wonderful job. Keep brushing to make those smiles sparkle.
Our commitment extends to professional dental education, empowering dentists to recommend our superior formula for optimal oral health.
I feel amazing. It's the best feeling. Cheers to that.
Behold our toothpaste, a masterpiece of design and efficacy, presented as a symbol of everyday luxury and refined living.
Every angle, every curve, every detail meticulously captured by our professional photographers, showcasing our product's inherent beauty. Our graphic designers meticulously refine every image, ensuring our toothpaste's visual appeal is as flawless as its performance. Cutting-edge 3D animation brings our product to life, showcasing its elegant design and premium quality in stunning detail.
The unboxing experience, a ritual of luxury, revealing our meticulously crafted toothpaste, a testament to thoughtful design. We start every day with a healthy routine. It's the secret to our family's wellness.
That's it, brush them gently. Up and down.
Like this.
Perfect, you're doing great.
A single, glistening drop. The perfect beginning to a fresh, clean, and invigorating oral care experience every day. Backed by science, our toothpaste delivers proven results, significant cavity reduction, and lasting fresh breath, verified by data.
The calcium binding is strongest here.
Yes, which stabilizes the remineralization process.
We should verify the fluoride interaction at this junction.
Our vision, championed by our leadership, propels us forward, delivering innovative oral care solutions to a global community.
The pinnacle of design and efficacy, our iconic toothpaste, a beacon of oral health, meticulously crafted for you. From sleek minimalism to opulent gift sets, our diverse packaging reflects the premium quality and thoughtful design within.
The perfect gift, our premium toothpaste, elegantly presented, a thoughtful expression of care and refined taste.
Join the movement. Our toothpaste is a staple in modern wellness routines, empowering a vibrant, confident start to every day.
Every detail matters. The sleek, ergonomic cap, adorned with our subtle logo, perfectly complements the tube's elegant design.
Elevate your routine. Our toothpaste is an essential luxury, perfectly complementing a life dedicated to sophisticated self-care.
Cheers.
To us.
Cheers.